Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Sejal Desai, a board-certified obesity medicine physician. In this conference, I'm excited to share insights on an incredible tool transforming how we approach menopausal weight management, the GLP-1 Receptor Agonists, branded semaglutide and tirzepatide. During menopause, hormonal changes can make weight gain, especially around the midsection, so frustrating. GLP-1 receptor agonists, originally developed for diabetes, are now a game changer for weight management, and these medications help regulate appetite, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote fat loss. I'll also cover the latest research showing how GLP-1s reduce risks for conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. Of course, access to these wonderful meds has been the biggest challenge, and I'll discuss how we navigate this process, especially the dreaded prior authorizations. Join me to learn how these medications, combined with lifestyle modifications, empower women to thrive in menopause and beyond. So let's embrace the science and rewrite the narrative of menopause. I hope to see you there.